Sir, at the same time, sir, all our schools were in need of basic facilities. School faced the same problem: dilapidated classrooms, unkept premises, unhygienic toilets, no provision for drinking water, missing compound walls, as well as a lack of staff to maintain hygiene. So multiple schools have students for different classes taught by one or two common teachers. There's a lack of focus on providing study material and having teaching aids. There are no libraries and there are no laboratories, and in many cases there is no emphasis on imparting social and extracurricular activities which are crucial in overall development of a student. In case of there are no facilities for children to play, schools lack sporting equipment, maintenance of schools, sir, providing cleaning, supplying their phenyl, mops, brooms, etc. ये तक नहीं हो रहा है, sir. Single teachers are the norms in 14% of state school. However, the number goes up to 30% when only government primary schools are considered, sir. Even if they have more than one teacher, the majority of schools in Telangana do not have separate teachers for each class, sir. The schools may fulfill the requirement of having 1:30 teachers pupil as per the Right to Education Act, but education experts feel that that is not enough, sir. Telangana has 22,000 vacant posts of teachers, sir. No enrollment in 1,213 Telangana government-run schools, sir. In addition, the number of schools with an adverse pupil-teacher ratio at the elementary level is 45.18%, sir. Sir, I also would like to bring to your kind notice, sir, the hardship which is being faced by private schools, sir. Sir, I conclude by saying this, sir, कि मैं भी schools चलाता हूं, sir. मैं free schools चलाता हूं, sir. I have 9 schools, sir, where I provide free education. And every day, sir, for every small thing, the education department harasses us. Sir, अब enrollment करना अभी भी harass करते हैं. This house would be surprised, sir. I run 10 schools, and to the surprise of the people, I have 40,000 students studying in my schools and colleges, sir. Oasis School of Excellence, which I run personally, sir. Which I run. Nobody gives any money. It is not MIM party school. It is my schools. In my constituency, 10 schools. And they harass us. For registration, they harass us. Sir, giving the recognition, they harass us. Sir, मैं आपके जरिए मुतालबा करूंगा और ये कहूंगा कि सर, स्कूल्स को रिकॉग्नाइज, प्राइवेट स्कूल्स को रिकॉग्नाइज नहीं कर रहे हैं, ये कहते हुए कि सुप्रीम कोर्ट का जजमेंट है. Sir, the judgment came in 2009. Sir, the judgment came in 2009.